Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at adding the Traxxas Inner Fenders to the Traxxas TRX4. For this I'll be using Traxxas part number 8080. And let's take a look at the package. Let's get started. Okay, here are the parts that are included in the Traxxas TRX4 Inner Fender Kit. This is the rear brace, and here's the kind of the front battery tray or something. It's like a little ledge that you could put in between the front fenders for batteries. The screws, instructions. Now on the fenders you'll see markings for the proper placement. You can see this one is the right front. It's got the RF stamped on the fender. Here is the left front fender. You can see it's got the integrated panhard mount right there. So let's take a look at the front battery tray and see what types of batteries fit in this spot. So I've got a couple batteries here to test. Here is my 3S 3700 milliamp battery. It's got a pretty compact size. It's from Hobbystar. I will put a link to this in the description below. It looks like it could fit in the front battery tray. It's a little tight. This is a shorty pack, a 2S LiPo, 4600 milliamp, and those shorty packs are too large for it. So Once again, this is the Hobby Star 3700 milliamp 3S battery. It's a smaller battery, and I'll put a link to this in the description below. And you can see here that it fits pretty nicely. Now, the rear body post has an arrow on top of the post marking the direction that it should be in. For the Traxxas TRX4 Sport body, you want that arrow facing backward, and that would give you the correct body post position for the TRX4 Sport body. With the inner fenders installed on the Traxxas TRX4, We'll take a look at it. You can see that there's still a gap between the inner fenders and the body right there. Now Traxxas does have an inner fender extension kit that you can get to fill in those gaps, but I'll probably just use some rubber weather stripping or something like that to fill in those gaps. Overall, I feel like these inner fenders will add to the scale look of this TRX4 Sport Kit. I think they'll look great. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.